Friends, myself Dattatreya Jadhav. Today I am from HM College Karad. Today we are going to discuss an important type of the integration, that is integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c dx, or its integration of 1 upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, look at here. Remember this type as 1 upon quadratic equation or 1 upon square root of quadratic equation inside the integration. Okay, look at here. These steps are for solving the given integration. First, make coefficient of x square is unity if it is not. First step is make coefficient of x square is unity if it is not. x square चा सहगुणक हा 1 करून घ्या जर नसेल तर. सेकंड स्टेप add and subtract the term minus coefficient of x bracket square divided by 2 bracket square minus coefficient of x divided by 2 bracket square. म्हणजेच इथं आपण minus coefficient of x divided by 2 bracket square ही टर्म ऍड करणार आहे आणि सबट्रॅक्ट करणार आहे. Okay, third, write first three and last two terms as a perfect square when coefficient of x square is positive, and write first two and last three terms as a perfect square when coefficient of x square is negative. Okay, and after that use special integral formulas. Integration of 1 upon a square plus x square, integration of 1 upon a square minus x square, integration of 1 upon x square minus a square, and all these formulas containing square roots. Okay, so look at here. First example, evaluate integration 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12. Evaluate integration 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12 dx. Look at here. In the given type, here numerator is 1 and denominator contains quadratic equations without square root or with square root. Okay, so here is the example on this type. Okay, so first step is make coefficient of x square is unity if it is not. Here coefficient of x square is 1, so neglecting that first step. Okay, first we denote the given integration by I. So starting with let I is equal to integration 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12 dx. Okay, second step is add and subtract the term minus coefficient of x divided by 2 bracket square. Okay, add and subtract the term minus coefficient of x divided by 2 bracket square. In case of when x square coefficient of x square is positive, add at third place and subtract at fifth place. Okay, and in case of when coefficient of x square is negative, add at first place and subtract at second place. Add at second place and subtract at third place. Sorry. Okay, so look at here. Integration becomes I is equal to, okay, here coefficient of x is what? 8 minus coefficient of x, that is minus 8 divided by 2 minus 8 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 4, and square of minus 4 is 16, means we add the term 16 and subtract the term 60. Okay, now here coefficient of x square is positive, so add at third place x, integration becomes 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 16 and subtract at fifth place in a denominator. Okay, now look at here. Write first three terms and last two terms as a perfect square. After simplification, we write this as, look at here, x square plus 8x plus 16. Okay, first term is square of x. Okay, last term is square of 4. that is third term is, and here is the plus sign, so it is a clearly perfect square of x plus 4. First three terms are square of x plus 4. X square plus 2 into 4 into x, that is 8x, plus square of the second term, that is 16. Okay, now 12 minus 16. 12 minus 16 is minus 4 dx. Now here is first term in denominator is a square of a variable. Now we write second term as a square of constant. So integration becomes I is equal to integration 1 upon x plus 4 bracket square minus 2 square dx. Okay, it looks like variable square minus constant square. Okay, now so we use here special integral 1 upon integration of 1 upon x square minus a square dx, formula for special integrals. Here x square minus a square factorizer. Okay, since there are two factors, so starting with 1 upon 2a, so 1 upon 2 into value of a is 2 into log of mod. Formula starts with variable, so negative factor of this x minus a, that is x plus 4 minus 2 divided by x plus 4 plus constant of integrations. After simplification, we get it's 1 upon 4 into log of mod x plus 4 minus 2 is clearly 2 divided by x plus 6 plus constant of integration c. Here is the answer of the question. Integration of 1 upon x square plus 8x plus 12x is equal to 1 upon 4 into log of mod of x plus 2 divided by x plus 6 plus constant of integration c. Okay, let's see another example. Evaluate the integration. Second example is here. Evaluate integration 1 upon 4x square minus 20x plus 70. 1 upon 4x square minus 20x plus 70 dx. Okay, now first denote the given integration by I. So starting with, let I is equal to integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 20x plus 70 dx, that is 1 upon quadratic equation. Okay, here first step is make coefficient of x square is unity. Since here coefficient of x square is 4, so taking common 4 from denominator, that is taking common 1 upon 4 from the integration, so integration becomes I is equal to 1 upon 4 into, when we take 4 common, here remaining x square minus 5x. From 17 we cannot take common 4, so divide by 4 dx. Okay, which is equal to 1 upon 4 into integration. Now here first step is completed. For second step, add and subtract the term minus coefficient of x divided by 2. Here coefficient of x is minus 5 divided by 2. Forget about this sign. Okay, minus coefficient of x minus becomes plus 5 by 2 bracket square, which is equal to what? 25 divided by 4. Means we add here 25 divided by 4. Okay, and third place and fifth place in denominator. So integration becomes I is equal to 1 upon 4 into integration of 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 25 divided by 4, okay, plus 17 by 4 minus 25 divided by 4 dx. Okay, look at the first three terms in denominator. Okay, here in denominator, first term is square of x. Okay, third term is square of 5 divided by 2. 25 divided by 4 is square of 5 by 2, and middle sign is minus, so clearly it is a square of x minus 5 by 2 bracket square. X minus 5 by 2 bracket square. Okay. Now denominator is same. Okay. So addition of numerator or subtraction of numerator, minus 17 minus plus 17 minus 25. It's minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 4 is second term. Okay. Dx, which is equal to 1 upon 4 as it is, into integration of 1 upon x minus 5 divided by 2 bracket square minus 8 divided by 4 is 2, and here is the square root 2 is square of root 2, so root 2 bracket square dx. Okay. Clearly in denominator this is the term of variable, so I can write this as x square and here is a square. Again using the formula integration of 1 upon x square minus a square. Okay. So 1 upon 4 constant as it is into integration of 1 upon 2 into a. Value of a is root 2. 1 upon 2 root 2 into log of mod. Since it is started with variable, okay, so write a negative factor. Negative factor is x minus 5 by 2 minus root 2 divided by positive factor x minus 5 by 2 plus root 2 plus constant of integration c. Will therefore I is equal to, okay, after simplification it's 1 upon 8 root 2 into log of mod of. Okay. Now what happening here, making denominator same in numerator and denominator and cancelling 2 from numerator and denominator, we write this as it's 2x minus 5 minus 2 root 2, okay, divided by 2 whole divided by, I can write 2 there. Okay. 2x minus 5 plus 2 root 2 divided by 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay. 1 upon 8 root 2 as it is into log of mod 2x minus 5 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2x minus 5 plus 2 root 2 plus constant of integration c. Here is the final answer of the given integration. Okay. Now next example is evaluate integration. Evaluate integration of 1 upon 5 minus 4x minus 8 square. 1 upon 5 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. Okay. So first we wrote the given integration by I. So starting with let I is equal to integration of 1 upon 5 minus 4x minus 3x square dx. Okay. First make coefficient of x square is unity. Here coefficient of x square is 3. So taking 1 upon 3 common from integration, 1 upon 3 into integration of 1 upon, it's 5 divided by 3. When we cannot take common, then we divide by 3. Minus 4x divided by 3 minus x square dx. Look at here, the coefficient of x square is negative. Okay, coefficient of x square is negative. So we add and subtract the term minus coefficient of x divided by 2 bracket square at second and third place. Okay, at second and third place. Here coefficient of x is minus 4 by 3 divided by 2. Okay, minus 4 by 3 divided by 2 bracket square. Here denominator of 2 is 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 square is 4 by 9. So we add, yes, 4 by 9. Okay, at which places, remember the places are very important. At second place, 5 divided by 3 minus, plus first 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9. Remember the place is second and third. Add at second place and subtract at third place. Minus 4 upon 9 minus 4x divided by 3 minus x square dx. Okay? Yes? Next step is which is equal to 1 upon 3 integration of 1 upon. Here, write first 2 and last 3 terms as a perfect square. So, grouping of first 2 and last 2. Making denominator same in first 2 terms. 5 3s are. Multiplying by 3 numerator and denominator, 5 plus are 15 plus 4. It's 19 divided by 9. Taking minus sign common from these 3 terms. Okay, minus sign common, so it becomes x square plus 4x divided by 3 plus 4 divided by 9 dx. Okay, write the term of x first. Okay, for better solution. 1 upon 3 into integration of 1 upon 19 divided by 9 is square of root 19 divided by 3. Okay, write first and last 3 terms as a perfect square. So I can write this as imperfect square. And after simplifying this term, look at here. X square, first term is square of x, last term is square of 2 by 3, and middle sign is plus. So clearly it is a square of x plus 2 by 3. X square plus 2 by 3 square is 4 by 9, and 2 into first term into second term, 2 into 4, 4x divided by 3. Okay, now this term is constant. It looks like a square. Constant is denoted by a, and this term is variable. So it looks like a square minus x square. Okay, 1 upon a square minus x square. The formula for integration of 1 upon a square minus x square is 1 upon 2a. A is what? Root 19 divided by 3 into log of mod of a square minus x square. Starting with a square, write positive factor. Root 19 divided by 3 plus x plus 2 by 3 divided by root 19 divided by 3 minus x plus 2 by 3 plus constant of integration c. After simplification, we write this as 3 3 get cancelled. 1 upon 2 root 19 into, okay, 1 upon 2 root 19 into log of mod of, okay, making denominator 3 of numerator and here is denominator. Okay, so after simplifying, it becomes root 19 and cancelling that denominator plus 3x plus 2 divided by root 19 minus 3x plus minus 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 2. Okay, and cancelling the denominator of numerator and denominator of denominator plus constant of integration c. So answer is here 1 upon 2 root 19 log of mod of root 19 plus 3x plus 2 divided by root 19 minus 3x minus 2. Okay, let's see another one example. Evaluate integration. Evaluate integration 1 upon square root of x square plus 8x minus 20. 1 upon square root of x square plus 8x minus 20 dx. First, it is an example on integration, so denote it by I. Let I is equal to. Okay, in numerator there is 1 and in denominator there is a quadratic equation in square root. So our type is what? Integration of 1 upon quadratic equation or integration of 1 upon square root of quadratic equation. Steps to solve both the integrations are same. First make coefficient of x square is unity. Here coefficient of x square is 1, so it is already unity. So forgetting about that first step. Add and subtract this second. Add and subtract the term minus coefficient of x divided by 2. Here coefficient of x is 8 divided by 2. Okay, minus 8 divided by 2 bracket square. Minus 8 divided by 2 is nothing but minus 4. Minus 4 square is 16. Means we add 16. Okay, and subtracting 16. Okay. Here a coefficient of x square is positive. So add at which place? Third and fifth. Add at third place and subtract at fifth place. Integration becomes integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 20 minus 16 dx. Okay, so which is equal to integration 1 upon square root of. Write first three and last two terms as a perfect square in the case of when coefficient of x square is positive. Okay, here coefficient of x square is positive, so first three terms are square of. First term is square of x, third term is square of 4, and middle sign is plus. So it is a perfect square of x plus 4 bracket square. Expand the x plus 4 bracket square. It's x square plus 16 plus 8x. Okay, and minus 20 minus 16 is nothing but minus 36 dx. Here in denominator, first term is x plus 4 bracket square. So writing second term as a square, okay, of constant. It's a square of 6. 36 is the square of 6. So I can write this as 6 square. Now this term is of variable x, so I can write this as x square, and this term is of 6 is constant, so I can denote it by a, so a square. And formula is for integration of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square. Solution of such type of integrations is log of mod of x plus denominator. So answer is log of mod of x. What is x? It's x plus 4 plus the denominator. What is denominator? Denominator is square root of x plus 4 bracket square minus 6 bracket square plus constant of integration c. Okay, divided by coefficient of x, since it is a linear equation. Here coefficient of x is always 1, so forget about that step, which is equal to log of mod of x plus 4 plus this term is here, this term is here, this term is here, this term is here. So I can write this as square root of x square plus 8x minus 20 plus constant of integration c, which is the answer of the given question. Integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus 8x minus 20 is log of mod of x plus 4 plus square root of x square plus 8x minus 20 plus. Let us see another example. Evaluate integration. Evaluate integration 1 upon square root of 3x square plus 5x plus 7. 3x square plus 5x plus 7 dx. Okay, here coefficient of x square is 3. So taking what common? 3 inside the root. Okay, so integration becomes I is equal to 1 upon integration of 1 upon square root of 3 into bracket x square. From 5 we can take common 3 by dividing 3. 5 divided by 3x plus 7 divided by 3 dx. Okay, now we will write root of m into n is nothing but root m into root n. So I can write this as yes, integration of root of 1 upon root 3 into root of that term, but 1 upon root 3 is constant, so take outside the integration into integration of 1 upon root of x square plus 5 by 3x plus 7 by 3. Okay, dx. Now Here coefficient of x is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 divided by 5 divided by 3 whole divided by 2 bracket square for adding and subtracting the term. So 5 by 3 divided by 2 means 5 by 3 into 2 6. 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. Means we add here, yes, means we add here 25 divided by 36. Since coefficient of x square is, yes, positive, we add at third place and subtract at fifth place. So integration becomes 1 upon root 3 into integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus 5 divided by 3 into x plus 25 divided by 36 plus 7 divided by 3 minus 25 divided by 36 degrees. Okay, now write first and last terms as a perfect square 1 upon root 3 as it is into integration of 1 upon square root of. It is a perfect square of, first term is perfect square of x, third term is perfect square of 5 by 6 and middle sign of the term is plus, so it is a square of x plus 5 by 6 bracket square. Okay, now evaluating 7 by 3 minus 25 divided by 36. 7 by 3 minus 25 divided by 36 making denominator same multiplied by, okay, 12 3s are 16. Okay, 84 minus 25 divided by 36. 84 minus 25, I think it's 59 divided by 36. After simplification we get 59 divided by 36 plus 59 divided by 36. Now, okay, look at here. First term is in square. So writing that term is also in square. 1 upon root 3 as it is into integration of 1 upon square root of x plus 5 divided by 6 bracket square plus 59 is square of root 59 divided by 36 is the square of 6 bracket square dx. Okay, which is equal to, therefore I is equal to 1 upon root 3 as it is. Consider that term as x, so x square plus here is constant, so x square, and which is in square root. We use here integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus a square. Okay, square root of x square plus a square. 1 upon square root of x square plus a square. It's a log of mod of x plus denominator. So it's a log of mod of x. What is x is here? X plus 5 by 6. Okay, plus the denominator. Denominator term is what? That all term. Okay, I have cleaned up this area. Denominator is root of x plus 5 by 6 bracket square plus root 59 divided by 6 bracket square. Okay, plus constant of integration c. Look at this term is here, this term is here, this term is here, this term is here, but this term is not there because we are taking root 3 taking in square root. So I can write this as which is equal to 1 upon root 3 into log of mod of x plus 5 divided by 6 plus square root of x square plus 5 divided by 3 into x plus 7 divided by 3 plus constant of integration c. Here is the answer of the given question. Okay, it's a 1 upon root 3 into log of mod of x plus 5 by 6 plus square root of x square plus 5 by 3x plus 7 by 3 plus constant of integration c. Let us see another example. Okay, let us see another example. Evaluate integration of square root of integration of 1 upon square root of 1 plus x minus x square. square root of 1 plus x minus x square dx. Okay, first denote the given integration by I. So starting with, let I is equal to integration of 1 upon square root of 1 plus x minus x square. Okay, make steps are, make coefficient of x square is unity. Here coefficient of x square is already 1. So forget about that step. Second step is what? Add and subtract the term minus coefficient of x divided by 2 bracket square. Here coefficient of x is 1 minus 1 upon 2 bracket square minus 1 upon 2 bracket square is nothing but 1 upon 4. So add and subtract 1 upon 4. But here coefficient of x square is negative. So add at second place and subtract at third place. So I can write this as, which is equal to integration of 1 upon square root of, yes, 1 plus, and at second place means adding 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 4 subtracting at third place. Remember, when coefficient of x square is negative, then add that terms at second and third places. Okay, plus x minus x square dx. Okay. Now, look at here. After simplification, we write this next step as integration of 1 upon square root of, making denominator same in first two terms, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Taking minus sign common from last three terms, yes, it becomes x square minus x plus 1 by 4. Why we write first term as x to get solution is very clear. Okay, which is equal to integration of 1 upon, yes, we know that it is a perfect square of root 5 divided by 2. 5 is the square of root 5 and 4 is square of 2. So I can write this as root 5 divided by 2 square. And for that term, here first term is square of x and last term is square of 1 upon 2. Middle sign is minus, so I can write this as x minus 1 by 2 bracket square. Here is the term of x, so I can write this as x square. Here is the term of constant, so I can write this as a square. And we know it looks like integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square dx. So formula is sin inverse of x upon a. So integration becomes I is equal to integration of its sin inverse of x. What is x? It's x minus half divided by a. A is what? Root of 5 divided by 2. Okay. Plus constant of integration c, which is equal to sin inverse of. After simplification, we get 2x minus 1 divided by 2 divided by root 5 divided by 2. Plus constant of integration c. Cancelling 2 in numerators denominator and denominators denominator. 2 get cancelled. So which is equal to sin inverse of 2x minus 1 divided by root 5 plus constant of integration c. Here is the answer of the question. So answer of the integration is 1 upon square root of 1 plus x minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse 2x minus 1 divided by root 5 plus constant of integration c. Okay, so in today's video we learn about integration of 1 upon quadratic equation and 1 upon square root of quadratic equation. Okay, I hope all the examples on the given time is understand very well. So thank you very much.